I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you find yourself facing a billing dispute on the Uber Eats app, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account that has the billing issue. Step 2. Access your orders. Tap on the Orders tab located at the bottom of the screen. This will show you a list of your recent orders where you can identify the one in dispute. Step 3. Select the disputed order. Find and select the order that you believe has the billing error. This will open up the details of that specific order. Step 4. Report an issue. Scroll down to find the Help section and tap on Report an issue. Choose the relevant option that describes your billing dispute, such as incorrect charges. Step 5. Submit your dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the asher.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Sometimes, you might need to wait a few days for a response, so keep an eye on your email for updates. If you don't hear back, you can always follow up through the app. Good luck, and I hope this helps you get your issue resolved.